Everyone in industry is familiar with vacuums. Vacuums are in constant use, removing debris and maintaining cleanliness in the workplace. By far the most common vacuums are powered by electricity. But there's another technology that offers significant advantages over electric vacuums: compressed air-powered or pneumatic vacuums. The effectiveness and power of all vacuums are measured with two parameters: vacuum flow and vacuum lift. Vacuum flow is the volume of air that travels through the vacuum hose, measured in cubic feet per minute, or CFM. The higher the vacuum flow, the more effective the vacuum will be at gathering and transporting debris. Vacuum lift is the height a given material can be raised through the vacuum hose. Measured in inches of water or inches of mercury, the higher the vacuum lift, the greater the vertical distance. Because pneumatic vacuums are powerful and develop exceptional vacuum lift, they excel when picking up heavy materials including water, debris, oils, and sludges. This translates to faster and more effective cleaning and significant maintenance cost savings. Pneumatic vacuums are powered by standard shop air compressors, or in remote locations, by a tow-behind compressor, meaning there are no dangerous electrical cords. And this is especially important in damp environments where electrical shock hazard is a concern. And finally, because pneumatic vacuums have no motors and no moving parts, they cannot burn out, ever.